Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find Digitalocean promo codes or discount codes. So as you can see that this is digitalocean.com website, where if I click on the pricing option, you can get Digitalocean for as low as 2.50 dollars, but this is the hourly rate. So if you want to get Digitalocean promo codes, you need to just open a new tab and search for Digitalocean promo codes 2025. Now you will see the first link from GitHub, where you can get $200 off in free credits to new user who sign up for an account. So you can just click on it, and then it will open the page in front of you, where you can find any deals and coupon codes here. So you just have to simply check that out here, or you can just scroll down a bit more and you can just open the websites that are actually providing you the coupon codes. For example, this one, that is couponfollow.com. It is giving you 40% off, and save you can save bunch of different dollars with the help of these codes. So you just have to simply click on the codes in which you are interested, then copy the code and go to digitalocean.com. Here you just have to simply sign up with your email address, and then at the time of checkout you just have to simply use the promo code and you are done. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.